Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain to you the concept of the working directory and show you how to set up your working directory and save your R script in the working directory. So what is the working directory? The working directory is the directory that R will save your files to by default, and R will look for the data and the files in this directory by default. So if you want to check your working directory, you can use the get working directory command. It's very simple. Get working directory command, hit enter, and this is my current working directory, and it's more likely that's different from your working directory. So either you use get working directory command to get your working directory, or you can look at the top of the console. This is the working directory. So the working directory, I told you that it's the directory that R will save your file to by default and looking for the file and data on that directory. So for example, if I save this script that we wrote in the previous tutorial, it will go by default to the working directory. Let us save this file, test, name it test file. How we can set new working directory? Usually when we start our project, we create a folder and we set our working directory to that folder. Let us do it together. So if I want to change this working directory to another directory, let us create that directory. For example, we call it first project, and now I want to set my working directory to this directory. So just go here and you can use the set working directory command. Just pass the path of the new working directory to this function between quotes, and the path of that working directory is this path. See, this is the path of my working directory. So let's just pass that path and click enter, and now my working directory changed from the R tutorials folder to first project folder, and as we can see at the top of the console, I have my new working directory. There is another way to set up your working directory by using the R Studio. Go to session and set working directory and choose the directory that you want, and now it's the first project, but I want to change it to, for example, to the previous one, which is the R tutorials. You can change it. So there's two ways. Either you use the R Studio, which is go to session and set up your working directory and choose the directory that you want, or you use the set working directory command. Another important thing that I want you to know is that you see this view. This is the file view, and as we can see that this view, the current view, is the working directory, which is the users El-ghazal desktop R tutorial, which is my current working directory. But if I change my working directory, for example, to another directory, say we change it to the first project, this one will not change automatically. So there is no relation between what you view and what's your working directory. For example, if I change this one to another folder, let's say R tutorial, and I check my working directory, it's still the first project working directory. But usually in R we view the working directory here. So if you want to view the working directory here, either you go and choose your working directory, which is the first project. This is one way. Or for example, now it's an R tutorial, right? If you want to view the working directory by using R Studio, it's very simple. Just click this icon, and once you click this icon, you automatically will view the working directory here. And hopefully by finishing my 3 tutorials in R Studio, you are now become familiar with the R Studio basics, and I will start the R tutorial language in the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.